What is Elon Musk's personal portfolio like? What is the genius business revolutionary invested in? Stay tuned to find all of this out and to know what is the future plan of the billionaire for Twitter and how he thinks it will become a trillion-dollar company. As always said with educational purposes and is not meant to be taken as financial advice. Many people are familiar with Musk's work at these companies, but today we're going to be focusing on his personal investment portfolio and the various companies he owns or has owned in the past, with a particular emphasis on the percentage of his wealth that comes from each investment or company. According to Forbes, Musk's net worth as of 2022 is around $146.5 billion. Much of his wealth is tied up in his various companies, but Musk has also made significant investments in other companies. It's worth noting that the exact percentage of Musk's wealth that comes from each investment or company is difficult to determine, as it can vary over time and may not be publicly disclosed. However, we can get a sense of the relative importance of each investment by looking at the percentage of his net worth that they represent. Some of the notable investments in Musk's portfolio include SolarCity. Musk was a co-founder of this company, which provides solar panel installation and energy storage solutions. It's likely that this investment represents a relative small percentage of Musk's net worth, as the company was acquired by Tesla in 2016 for $2.6 billion. Still, to this day, Tesla has not put a lot of emphasis on its solar business, but according to Musk, in the next 2-3 years, this will change and the focus will turn into that area. Make sure to watch my video analysis on Tesla, as the stock has fallen drastically over the past year, and just as I said in the video, the stock was overvalued and now it is much closer to its fair value. The next company is PayPal. Musk was an early investor and founder of the online payment platform, which was later acquired by eBay. In 2002, PayPal was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock, of which Musk was the largest shareholder with 11.72% share, for which he received $175.8 million. This was Musk's earliest big breakout moment, and he invested all of his $175 million into Tesla and SpaceX, risking it all for the sake of humanity. The next company Musk co-founded was Neuralink, which is working on developing implanted brain-machine interfaces. It's difficult to estimate the percentage of Musk's net worth that this represents, as the company is private and has not yet released any products. As of the end of 2022, Neuralink is thought to be valued at anywhere from $1.2 to $2 billion. It is said that now Elon Musk will be the rightful owner of Neuralink. The next company is OpenAI. Musk was an early investor in the artificial intelligence research organization, which focuses on developing and promoting friendly AI. It's likely that this investment represents a relative small percentage of Musk's net worth, as the company is not yet profitable. Most recently, the company was valued by Microsoft for $20 billion, but it is undisclosed what percentage of the company is owned by Elon Musk. In addition to these investments, Musk also owns or has owned a number of companies outright. These include SpaceX. This is perhaps Musk's most well-known company, which he founded in 2002 with the goal of reducing space transportation costs and enabling the colonization of Mars. It's difficult to estimate the exact percentage of Musk's net worth that SpaceX represents, as the company is private and has not released financial information. However, it is likely a significant percentage, as SpaceX has achieved numerous successes and contracts with the government, and private companies. As of the end of 2022, Musk has a 47.4% share of SpaceX, which is valued at $140 billion, making it the most expensive unicorn in the world, just behind ByteDance, which is the owner of TikTok. SpaceX has a real potential of becoming the leader in the fast-paced planetary travel, as the rockets could be used instead of planes, and the longest travel distance across Earth would be no more than 50 minutes long. Imagine going from London to Sydney in 45 minutes, for example, or Sydney to New York in 35 minutes. All of this would be soon possible. Musk is also the CEO of Tesla, which is a leading manufacturer of electric vehicles and renewable energy products. Tesla is a publicly traded company, and as of the end of 2022, Musk owns around 13.4% of the company's stock. This means that Tesla represents a significant percentage of Musk's net worth. With a current market value of $400 billion, this means that Tesla represents a 53.6 billion share of his total net worth. At one point, Tesla was representing more than 150 billion of wealth for Musk alone, as the market cap was over $1 trillion before it started its descent. The next company is The Boring Company. Musk founded this company in 2016 with the aim of reducing traffic congestion by building underground tunnels for high-speed transportation. It's likely that this company represents a relative small percentage of Musk's net worth, as it is not yet profitable and has a limited number of projects. As of April of 2022, when The Boring Company raised $675 million, it was valued at $5.7 billion, and Musk owns about 90% of the company, which means he has a $5.13 billion stake. In late 2022, Elon Musk officially bought Twitter, and it is now a private business. Musk paid $44 billion for Twitter, and according to one of his latest interviews with Ron Barron, they both stated that either Twitter will fail or it will become one of the biggest companies in the world, valued at trillions upon trillions of dollars. In this interview, Elon stated that soon he will unveil a new financial payment system, which will be the greatest evolution of financial payments ever made. This was his connotation that he wants to turn Twitter into a WeChat type of super app, which has payments, video chat, news, and all that one person should want from a social media app. As a general conclusion, Musk is a genius serial entrepreneur who has the biggest potential of becoming the world's first trillionaire. But as of 2022, he has become the first person to lose $200 billion of net worth, as for a brief moment he was worth north of $300 billion. This, in my personal opinion, is a minor setback, and the genius entrepreneur will really become the world's first trillionaire. So if you learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe, and also make sure to watch all of my stock video analysis, as every single one will provide you with incredible value. Great to see you, and until next time.